And then finally, this last example, again, it's just a matter of translating the expression from words into an equation. And it says, for what positive number is the square root of the number? So again, we're taking the square root of some number n, and that is equals the same as the number divided by 40. So n divided by 40. So if you translate that directly into an equation and then just solve this resulting equation, you would do that by squaring both sides to get rid of your square root. You get n is equal to n squared, again, square both parts of the fraction. And 40 squared is going to be 1600. And then just solve what you have. Again, if you kind of cross multiply here, you get 1600n is equal to n squared. Anytime you have a problem that has a quadratic or a higher second degree expression, really what you should do is you should move every term to the same side in order to solve it, set it equal to 0, and then either use quadratic formula, factoring, or extracting square roots to solve this. Because there's two different n terms, I'm going to factor that out, leaving me n times the quantity n minus 1600. And so my solution here, when I set each of these factors equal to 0, is either n equals 0 or n is equal to 1600. Again, the values of n that would make each of these equal to 0 that you could solve by taking the expression that's given and setting it equal to 0 and solving. So again, add 1600 to both sides here. And so since they asked you for the positive number that works for this, n is not, or 0 is not positive, so the only positive number that works here is going to be 1600. And that would be your solution.